If you are a Wix Studio beginners, one of the biggest issue you might face is the font size. Because if I go to the text elements and add a H2 heading, for example, and go to the mobile device, you can see that the font becomes too small. And that's because there is no lower limit on the font size here. We are going to fix that using the typography site style. You can do that from here. You have 6 headings and 3 paragraphs. Each of them has their own role. The H1 is the main heading of your page. You should add only one H1 heading per page, right? This is the main title of your website. The H2 is the main subsection headings. Like if you have any product categories, then you will write the H2 as the product category. And when you add the products, the title will be H3 and so on. So you have to create the hierarchy using the headings, and you have 3 paragraphs right here. Now let me show you how to set the right typography. The first thing you need to do is choose a proper font for your website. You can either choose the fonts from the Wix Studio's own library, or you can upload your own fonts using this option right here. So you can use this button right here to get the font. There are some really good websites like Google Fonts where you can find free fonts for your website. Once you have uploaded them, you can see all the uploaded fonts in this library right here. You can also delete them or download them. If you want to choose your own custom fonts, you can go here and select uploaded fonts and choose them from here. Now, this is the most important thing. When you are designing your headings, a good idea is to set a minimum font size here. So by default, you can turn on the scale text and set a lower and upper limit of the font size. In most cases, you won't need the maximum size, only the minimum for your mobile devices. So I can go here and, for example, set the 72 pixel for the font size and like 48 for the mobile, or let's go with 50. One thing you can do is set this one to around 60 and maximum to 72, right? So depending on the device size, you will have variable font size. So now if I go to the H2 here and do the same thing, I have 42 as the maximum font size right now. I can set 38. And if I go to the mobile device now, you will see that the heading size is 38. All right, that's because we have the minimum size limit of 38. In this way, you have to set all the heading sizes. You can also set the default formatting like the bold and italic. You can also set the character spacing and line spacing here. And you can, of course, set the color. In the previous video, we have set a separate color for the headings. You can change them right here. For the paragraph, we have a different use case. So for the paragraph, you want either a constant size or a very minimal variation. So I can set, for example, 22 for desktop and 18 for mobile. But in most cases, you will need only around 18 to 20 pixel. So this is how you can set typography and custom fonts in Wix Studio. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.